How to sell ebook on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Witci. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sell ebook on Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to witci.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Witci, it is a website that offers a free digital storefront called Koji, which allows users to create interactive media to sell products, downloads, services, or premium content. And also, Koji simplifies the shopping experience by enabling customer to purchase digital and physical products with a single tap via credit card or Apple Pay, without having to leave their social media platform. And also, user can customize their Koji by selecting a template and updating it as needed. And in addition, Koji also offers a link in bio feature to showcase Kojis on a personal dashboard. And with Koji, creating interactive content is as simple as drag and drop, much like website builders such as Wix and Squarespace that have simplified website coding. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you will see here the step-by-step process on how you can build your first Koji in just a minute, in which the first step is to decide what and where to sell your products, in which it can be a digital products, a physical products that has inventory, and where to sell such as on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and any other platforms. While the second step is to add the templates that you prefer, while the last step is to launch and share your Kojis. And now that we know the background info and some of the services it offers, we can now proceed to get started using this platform. And to do that, just click this button, Turn Ideas into Cash. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. From here, you can sign in using your email address, your phone number, your Google account, and even your Facebook account. But I'm going to continue using my Google account. So kind of click on it. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which this is the dashboard of witci.com. Well, the second thing that you need to do is to verify your email address. So just go to your email inboxes and just proceed by clicking this link below. And after that, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to fill out the seller details, in which under the username, just enter here the username of your Instagram account, then followed by your last name, and also with your phone number. And after that, you will see on the right side panel that you need to connect your bank account, in which you can choose either Stripe or your PayPal account, in which all you need to do is to fill out the account information in order to connect your PayPal account or your bank account, including your PayPal email, your legal name, and your country. And after that, if you scroll down below here, you're also required to submit your ID or identity document from your computer files, such as your passport, your driver's license, or other form of national identification, and proceed by clicking the submit button to continue. And after that, it will show you that the verification is now in progress. And below here, the next thing that we need to do is to pick a template, in which you will see here a variety of template that you can choose. But in those options, just click this Sell Digital, and you will be directed on this page. And if you scroll down below here, it will show you the details about this template, in which using this template, you can easily sell all of your digital products in one place. And you can choose from a variety of layouts to match your style and showcase products with a dedicated product page that includes images and details. And below, you will see the monetization info, in which it has a 5% fee per transaction, but you can set the price and the customers can pay seamlessly with any credit or debit card. And now to proceed, just click this configure button right here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to choose the style that you prefer, web here basic, pastel chic, retro dark, marble, Polaroid, and many more. So after choosing your style, just proceed by clicking the next button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to enter the store details, such as the title of it, and also the description of your store, including the logo or image, but those are only an optional. But after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking the next button on the top right corner. And from here, just click the publish button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you that nothing for sale yet to your store. So to sell an ebook to your Instagram, from here, just click Add Digital File button below. And from here, you'll see on the left side panel some of the options including store details, my items, in which by clicking on it, you'll be able to add and edit products or reorder the items in your store. And below here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, such as the name of your products. And since we're trying to sell an ebooks, I'm going to enter here ebooks. And after that, below, you could also add a description, but that is just only an optional. And below here, you could also add image or videos from your computer files or also the cover of your ebooks. And after uploading from your computer files the book cover of your ebook, you will see it in here. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to upload the file of your ebooks and make sure that the file type of it is PDF, since it is the recommended type of file type for downloading or selling an ebooks, since it is way more convenient and more clean to look at. And after uploading your ebook file, you will see it in here. And after that, below, you could also set the price of this ebook. So let's say I'm going to enter here the amount, and as you can see, the price must be between $1 and $999 US. So I'm going to enter here $30 and proceed by clicking the save button. And after that, the items that we just add in our store can now be found under my store option. And if you try to click on it, you will be directed in here. And on the top left corner, it will show you the share button. And if you click on it, it will show you the link that you can share to your Instagram, to your Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, and many more. Now going back to this page, if you try to click your link in bio options on the left side panel and click View Koji Profile, proceed by clicking Digital Products for Sale. And after that, just select the item or the products that we just sell or ebooks. And after clicking on it, you will be able to see the share button on the top right corner, in which it will show you the link that you can attach to your Instagram profile. By clicking on Edit Profile, you will be able to attach the website using the store link by pasting it on this website section. But you can do that using your mobile phone and not your PC or your laptop. And after attaching the link of your store to the website section of Instagram profile, your store link will appear below this bio, in which if one of your followers kindly click on it, they can start availing or buying your ebook products. So that is just how you can sell ebook on Instagram. Thank you.